Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you friends how to make handmade canvas boards at your home. For this we need materials like white glue, cotton cloth, cardboard pieces, white acrylic paint, talc powder and some water. Take a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of white glue and 2 tablespoons of water into it and mix it well. The consistency is not very thin or thick. If you add more water into it, this will affect the shape of your cotton pieces and there is a chance to bend it. Take a piece of cotton cloth. Normally Bukran is used for this purpose. Lack of that, I used common cotton cloth from my house. Dip it very well and paste it on cotton pieces. Next I take a piece of cotton box and allow to fix it over that. You can also use cover of all books or diaries for these purposes. Flip it and paste the cloth to the edges of the cotton pieces with the help of some white glue. Spread some white glue on the edges of the cotton pieces and allow to fix the cloth to it and let it dry. To avoid bending, put some weight over it in drying time. Similarly, I made some box type canvases like with same processing weights. For this, I added 4 corners with the same cotton box pieces and joined with hot melt glue gun and cover the surfaces with glue coated cloth. Next, I am going to make gesso. Gesso is a primer. For this, I take a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of white glue into it and add 2 tablespoons of talc powder to it and 1 tablespoon of white acrylic paint to it. Mix these 3 ingredients together and make a fine and smooth paste. Gesso produces a soft, flexible and non-absorbent surfaces when it dries hard, making the surfaces more stiff. Next I am showing you guys how to prime the canvas. It is very easy. To apply gesso, use a wide flat brush. Brush stroke may cause lines or lumps. Using a different brushes that is dry, go over these lines to smooth them out. Now the canvas board is ready. To make a really smooth coat, use a sandpaper to gently sand this layer. Make sure the surface is completely dry before attempting this. Next I made some canvas frames with the same cotton box pieces and a rectangular shape made with glue gun. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.